Core AWS services are the foundation of modern cloud applications. AWS provides building blocks that allow you to design scalable systems. These services fall into categories such as compute, storage, networking, security, and monitoring. When combined, they enable production-ready architectures. They are essential for building AI and machine learning systems. AWS also follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model. Amazon S3 is an object storage service designed for scalability and durability. It offers virtually unlimited storage and extremely high reliability. It is commonly used for storing training data, backups, logs, and static assets. S3 plays a key role in AI and machine learning pipelines. It also supports versioning and lifecycle management. Amazon Cognito provides user authentication and identity management. It enables user sign-up and sign-in functionality. It supports social logins such as Google and Facebook. Cognito uses secure token-based authentication. It is widely used in web and mobile applications and supports multi-factor authentication. AWS Amplify is a full-stack application hosting platform. It integrates with Git repositories and supports continuous deployment. Amplify automates front-end deployment and provides global content delivery. It works with frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular. It also integrates with Cognito and backend APIs. Amazon EC2 provides virtual servers in the cloud. It gives full control over the operating system and environment. It supports scalable compute capacity and multiple instance types. EC2 is commonly used for backend applications and AI workloads. It also supports auto-scaling to handle changing demand. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service. It allows you to run code without managing infrastructure. It follows an event-driven execution model. You only pay for the execution time. Lambda automatically scales and supports multiple programming languages. It is widely used for APIs, automation, and AI inference. Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. It supports databases such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, and Oracle. It provides automated backups, patching, and high availability. It supports scaling and read replicas for performance. RDS is used to store structured data like user information and application data. Amazon SQS is a fully managed message queue service. It helps decouple different components of an application. It improves reliability and fault tolerance. It enables asynchronous processing of tasks. SQS is commonly used in microservices and AI workflows. It supports both standard and FIFO queues. Amazon API Gateway is an API management service. It handles HTTP and REST API requests. It provides built-in security, throttling, and request routing. It integrates with services like Lambda and EC2. It is commonly used to expose AI models as APIs. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service. It collects logs and tracks performance metrics. It allows you to configure alerts and alarms. It helps in debugging and troubleshooting systems. CloudWatch also provides dashboards for visualization. Amazon VPC provides an isolated network environment in AWS. It allows control over IP ranges and subnets. You can create public and private subnets. It enables secure communication between resources. It also supports VPN and direct connectivity options. Security groups act as virtual firewalls for AWS resources. They control inbound and outbound traffic. They are applied to services like EC2 and RDS. They follow stateful rules, allowing return traffic automatically. Security groups are essential for enforcing security best practices. Modern applications combine multiple AWS services into a single architecture. Front-end applications can be hosted using Amplify. Users authenticate through Cognito. API Gateway handles incoming requests. Lambda or EC2 processes backend logic. Data is stored in S3 and RDS. SQS manages asynchronous workflows. CloudWatch monitors the entire system. Together, these services create scalable and production-ready applications.